We are standing in one of our attractions that, as you see, has been stripped down to the base. Now I'm going to tell you which attraction it is. See if you can guess it. We're going to do something totally new in here, expand it, add to it. It's going to be all new. So stay tuned, we'll let you know very soon.
Spongy.
Christmas? They're gonna be like, Christmas, Christmas, yeah, Christmas, Christmas. Yeah, little Christmas.
So many comments. Christmas!
Today's episode of Secret Projects, we're making a mess. Disappeared earlier today.
Can you tell us what it used to be?
No, I cannot.